Hey, what's up guys? Will over here, WRT. So today we're lowering the car. This is a C8 Corvette. We're lowering this car and also giving it more front camber. So there's quite a few things you have to do in order to achieve all of that. You have to take out the spacers that's behind the upper A-arm so that we could actually push the top in a little bit more. So in order to even adjust the spring perch here, we have to remove this arm in order to get the spring compressor up in there. And then we could rotate the spring perch. So we get right into it.
We're getting behind the scenes over here.
Yeah. All right, so now that we've got the upper arm out the way, we could actually put the spring compressor into here. Yeah, so now that we have the spring compressed, we can finally lower this perch right here. Without compressing the spring, this perch is just literally rubbed up on this rubber pad right here that holds the spring up. So now that it's freed up, not binding, we could actually spin the perch and lower it. And we have a predetermined spot. We lowered the lower perch down like about 18 millimeters. So now we're just lowering the top perch down to about the same amount. And this side is going to be just a little bit lower than the left side, given that there'll be some driver weight there. So we're just going to compensate a little bit. We'll readjust later after we counterbalance it. All right, so now that we've lowered the springs, we could definitely uncompress the spring and continue buttoning everything back up. Alright, so now that we uncompress the springs, we're just going to swing this on back, line it up, and the most important thing really is that in order to get more camber, this spacer here was actually on the inside. Now we are bringing it out and it's going to be on the outside, and this washer here, actually there's a little bit of a difference. There's a flat side and a round side, and we're going to have the round side on the outside. So again, we just want to make sure that we've got this the right orientation. So we're going to have the round side on the outside and then the flat side on the inside.
How'd I end up in it?